Here at the Barbados Water Authority, we are always trying to improve our delivery of service to you, our valued customer. We know sometimes when we're doing installations, there can be a bit of a break in your service, but we have Keon King here to tell us about some new technology. He's an engineer with the Barbados Water Authority, and this new technology will make sure that you continue to get your water supply while we do what we have to do on the back end. Keon, welcome to Water Wednesday. It's good to have you on. Talk to us a bit about what you have been doing in the field over the past few weeks in terms of testing this new technology. What is it called?
Hi, it's called a hot tap valve. Normally when we have to shut down a large main, it would require us to shut down entire area, probably sometimes in whole parish. I installed 4 valves and no one lost water for a second.
Talk about those areas where you did some testing and some critical institutions involved as well.
Right, so the first valve we would install would have been affecting the airport, and you know that's a critical area that always needs water. So we would have installed a hot tap valve. Hot tap just means, well, the main is still under pressure, and the 20-inch main is highly pressurized. The way it goes is basically we install a modular valve with a saw on it.
Okay.
It begins to saw through the pipeline while the water is still flowing, and then we plug it, we take off the saw, we install the top, and we bolt it up.
We spoke about some other areas you tested it as well?
Yes, please. We would have done one which would have been affecting the hospital, and they cannot lose water at all.
Of course not.
So we also did one that would have been affecting 6th Road and all of 6th Phillip, and then we also did one that would have been affecting Christ Church, which is also a highly dense area. But no one lost water, and for the past 4 weeks, the valve's been holding. No errors, no leaks, no nothing.
That's good stuff. Talk about some of the installations where you'll be able to apply this technology. Is it for mains installations? What kind of installations are we talking about here?
It is for installation of valves currently. We're also looking at new technology for the future where it would deal with the connections, because during connections we also have to turn off, but we don't have that technology yet. But that is the second phase of the project we are trying to implement.
And Keon, you mentioned this technology has so far been used for the installation of valves.
Yes, please.
What is the importance of these valves?
Well, valves are important for controlling the distribution system. If we have to repair something, it stops the backflow, so when we have to do work on the pumping station, the water isn't coming back on us, so to cause more damage in the pumping station. Valves are mainly used for control of the system.
And of course, Keon will come back to keep you updated on other installations right here on Water Wednesdays. A big thank you to you, Keon, for bringing us the update. To view this or previous episode again, please visit our website, www.barbadoswaterauthority.com. You can go to our socials on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our Water Wednesdays WhatsApp channel, and please also subscribe to our Water Wednesdays channel. That's on YouTube. You can find us there.
It's essential to identify and properly prepare in advance the containers you will need for storing water. Label all storage containers with the date they were filled. If the stored water has not been used or replaced for a long time, don't use it for drinking or cooking. Use this water instead for secondary purposes, flushing toilets, watering plants, or washing the car.